Hi guys, welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to reset the service light on this 2015 Nissan Juke. Keyless ignition model this one is. So to start with, we're going to turn it off. I'm going to turn the ignition on, and within 5 seconds press and hold the button there. And it should start to flash. Once it's flashing, press the button again, and that will reset it to 18,000 there. And you can cycle through if you want. If you want to set it lower, I'll set this. We'll set this to 12,000. So set that 12,000 there. And then all you need to do is just simply turn the ignition off. That's it. The reset's done. Then that back on there, you can see that's set to 12,000 now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.